cutting across healthcare. That is nurses, we have medical laboratory, we have nutritionists, we have pharmaceutical technologists, we have public health, and we have clinical officers. What has made us to come out here because of this picketing is because we've had salaries, 3 months salary arrears. Shame! 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 Imagine living in Nairobi with 3 months without being paid 3 months salary. In Nairobi, you have rent to pay, you have school fees to pay, you have to transport yourself to work. It's not like you walk to work. There are so many things which Nairobi County, unfortunately, has not kept the side of its commitment. We went on strike as doctors, and we signed a return to work formula, and they have not implemented nothing. Nurses went on strike, they signed return to work formula, and they have implemented nothing. Clinical officers went on strike, they signed return to work formula, and they have implemented nothing. Actually, signing return to work formulas has become just a ceremonial affair to the county. They don't implement anything. As we speak, when it reaches 9th of every month, we don't have an insurance cover. Imagine as a health worker, you're being exposing your family, and yet when it reaches 10th, you don't have a cover. When you go to hospital, you have to pay out of pocket. We are actually, when the governor was telling us how he has paid for several doctors, several staffs in Nairobi, amounting to almost 1 million. That is not right at all. We need to have a cover which is working, comprehensive cover, working 24 hours a day, and working 7 days a week, and actually 352 days exactly, just like the previous government have been doing.
We are getting excuses that Exchequer has not sent money, Mara's tree, the money that was sent is not enough, and all these other stories. We want to say that as far as we are concerned, we don't know what Exchequer is, and COG and all these guys. We just want to tell them that the way they sort the national bills, because we have not had the national staff complaining of salary delays, they should support Nairobi by making sure that they send money on time, and we don't want to hear those excuses. We want money for salaries be utilized for salaries. We want them to send money on time so that we don't have this suffering. One last thing that we want to tell Nairobi is honor agreements. When you get into an agreement with the employee, at least make an aim of making sure that you honor those agreements. People go out. Right now we are out here. We are going to have an agreement on how we are going to sort these issues and avoid such industrial actions. So honor agreements, sign return to work agreements, and ensure that you implement what you put on paper. Don't just put it there ceremoniously.